how to call different methods of different class. So friends, today we are going to discuss how to call different methods of different class inside a class. So let's begin. Hello everyone. Welcome to Programming Perception. This is the 10th episode of Queries and Demands and I am Amit Kumar. So today we are going to discuss how to call different methods of different class inside a class. Now to explain you that, I have actually created 3 classes over here. Here the first class is episode 10 in which I am going to call methods of these 2 classes. Now let me show you these 2 classes first. The first class is employee episode 10. And in this class, I have created 2 private variables. Both are string type with name and designation. And I have created a constructor of this class in which I am passing this name and designation and assigning it into these data members. There is a show method also which is printing employee's name and employee's designation. So clearly, this is very simple and easy program to understand. I am using this keyword to actually clarify in case of any confusion. Similar to this class, I have created a student episode 10 class. Now in this student episode 10, I have done the same thing. The only difference is here we are having name and S class. Inside the constructor, I am assigning name and S class. And inside the show method, I am printing student's name and S class. I have used S class variable because class is a keyword. So now let me call the methods of these 2 classes inside the third one. So let me compile these 2 classes first. Now in episode 10, I have to create the object of these 2 classes. So let me create an object of employee underscore episode 10. So this is the class name. Now let's suppose the object name is employee and then I have to call the constructor. So if you remember, in the constructor of this class, we have to pass 2 things, the name and the designation. So let's suppose the name is Rakesh Kumar and the designation is assistant manager. Clearly you can see both are string over here. And similar to this class, I am having one more class over there with name student episode 10. So I am creating another object of student episode 10 class. So first object is of employee episode 10 and the second object is of student episode 10. The name of the first object is employee. The name of the second object is student. I am changing the student name. Let it be Suresh Sharma. And let it be class 10th. Okay, fine. I'm compiling it. And now we can show the details of the employee as well as the detail of the student by calling the show method. So now all that I need to do is to run this episode 10. Now you can see this episode 10 is pointing to these 2 classes because we have used these 2 classes inside this class. So let me run. And clearly you can see it's printing the employee detail and the student detail as expected. So this is how we can create class and methods, and we can use methods of different classes inside a single class. So that's it in this episode. I hope you enjoyed the episode. So do give a thumbs up and leave your comments about the episode. I am Amit Kumar signing off. Hope to meet you in the next episode. Till then, thank you and happy programming.